Hey guys, what's up? This is Code Beginners, and this video is about classes and IDs in HTML. In this video, we are going to get two outputs in the end. Okay. The first is you will be familiar with classes and IDs in HTML, and the second is you will come to know the difference between classes and IDs. I mean, you will come to know when to use the classes and when to use the ID. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see what we have. We have two headers and we have two paragraphs. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's give it a class. Class is equal to let's say red. Okay, so so the next thing is let's say red. Okay, so this is two classes that I have defined for two headers, and let's say P, and I like to give it an ID of let's say color, or let's say bold, and let's say I give it an ID of question. Okay, so let's say this. Let's go to stylesheet.css and let's see what we can do with that. Okay, so there is our class red, and one thing to remember that whenever you want to invoke a class in your stylesheet.css file, then you have to write dot first and then simply the class name. So that is basically your class that is being accessed in stylesheet.css. So if you want to access that ID, then you just simply need to write here like the hash, and then you are required to write the ID name, and which is in my case is let's say bold. Okay, so bold, and that is basically our ID. Okay, so let's see what we can do that with that. So red, so I'll give it a color red. Okay, and let's say font size 24 px. Let's say give it a font family. Let's say cursive. Okay, so there it is. Now look at that. That red, the statistics, the values, and the properties all in the red black brackets have been assigned to these two headers. Okay, so let's say I want to do this or do same things for these two headers. I will define two classes with same name. Okay, that is red, and when I want to do a task for a single element, then I need to define an ID. So hope you are getting the point. I will repeat that. If I want to do the same thing for two or more than two elements of HTML, then I will use this class. Okay, and I will write here in stylesheet.css, and I only need to write this only once for all those elements that have been selected through the class. Okay, and let's come to ID, and if I want to make changes in only a single element, and that is paragraph in my case, so I will choose ID. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's make it some font size. Let's say 50x. Okay, so for the next ID, that is QUE, I'll write the same. Okay, so QUE, put the brackets on, and then just write font size to be 60px, let's say, and let's say this. Go ahead and open this. Alright, so let's run this. Let's open this file and let's see what we have got on our output. Okay, So there you go. This is the header, and this is the header, and basically this is the h2, I think, and that is the h1, and that is basically the red color with a cursive font family that I have given here. Okay, you can see that here all the statistics or the properties have been assigned to the required lines, and let's see here. There you go. I have two paragraphs with one is 24 px and one is 23 px, I think. And that is basically the concept of IDs and class. Let me repeat once again for you. If you want to do same thing with a bunch of elements of HTML, then you will use classes. And if you want to do some certain thing with only one element of HTML, then you will use ID. Hope the concept is clear now. So thanks for watching, and if you really like the video, then please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.